Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have a bilateral wax removal, so wax removal from both the ears. You can see we've got some quite soft wax. This person's been using a little bit of olive oil just to soften this up. And we're going to use the standard size ulnar tube today to go in and get this out. So just working on the base of the wax there, just trying to lift it from the canal walls. There we go. So you can see it all coming away there in a nice big chunk. This person, where they've used some olive oil, it just helps to soften the wax a little bit. Too much can make it a bit runny, but you know, this is just enough so it's nice and soft on the edges, easy to remove. Just going to get some of the remaining bits. You'll see a couple of stray black hairs in here. Now, we get asked a lot of questions, why do we leave hairs behind in the ear canal? The answer is that they don't really do anything. They don't irritate. Lots of people say, do they irritate or aggravate the ear canal? Not really. There's no irritation or aggravation there. And to remove them, because they're so close to the canal wall, would actually be quite uncomfortable for the patient. It's difficult to get a suction grip. You can't get the crocodile forceps underneath. And if you drag the Jobson horn across that ear canal wall, it would feel a lot of scraping and pinching sensations. So you're causing a patient a distress and discomfort for no benefit, really. This is the last piece we're taking away, very close to the eardrum. There you go. So you can see a bit of skin attached to that bit. And there we are, there's the eardrum, looking nice and healthy. So this is the other side, so very similar on this side. You can see we've got a wall of wax here, but then we've got a piece of wax sitting at the bottom of the canal wall, closer to the camera. So I'm going to work on that section first and lift that from the canal wall, because if I work straight on the center section and bring it forwards, then that bottom section is going to hold that wax in, so we're not going to be able to take it out cleanly. So I'm just lifting this bottom section. What you'll see in a second is the whole thing will start to move. There. So we managed to get a good enough grip on that skin there, that is dry skin at the entrance, and take a nice big piece away. A little bit broke off as we were taking it down the canal. Just wiggling that out of the canal there. So as we're pulling this wax out, it's drawing more wax from deeper in the canal. And bits of dry skin, which is what that section is there. There we go. You'll see a couple of those stray black hairs there on the left hand side as well, but like I said, uncomfortable to remove. So here we have the wax that we removed. We had a few requests in the comment section recently to ask us to show the camera that we use as well. So this is the head of the camera, this is the actual endoscope section. So the long thin section we use on the left hand side, that is part of what goes into the ear, not all of that, only about 1 centimetre of that. And then you've got the standard size ulnar tube underneath. Well, thanks very much for watching again, guys. If you did enjoy the videos, then please like, share, subscribe. Loads of people watch the videos that are not subscribed, so if you do like the videos, then please subscribe. You get a notification every single time we post a new video. And as always, guys, take care.